Hello friends, gadget fanatics, camera lovers, and tech-hungry people, a very warm welcome to a video that is going to turn your tech dreams into reality. Because today we are going to talk about a smartphone whose mere leaks have made the entire tech industry's heart skip a beat. The fever on social media has been so high that people have started selling their old phones. Everywhere, there's just one discussion: what is this? How is it? And the biggest question, when is it coming? And yes, let me make it clear right from the start, this is no minor upgrade. This isn't just about improving the camera a bit or making the battery bigger. No, this is something else entirely. This is the Sony XPERIA Pro 1 Ultimate. A phone that will make your brain freeze for a second, and then it will say, is this madness or the pinnacle of engineering? So without any further delay, let's start the engine and explore every single detail of this cosmic device. Design section. First glance, the design. Now you might be thinking, it's a Sony phone, so it'll be minimal, classic, with a business look. Totally calm, elegant, and professional. But friends, you are 100% wrong. This is a design you have never seen on any smartphone before. Look at it from the front, a modern flagship. A massive, immersive, borderless display, like holding a cinema screen in your hand. Absolutely premium, killer looks that will mesmerize you at first sight. But the real fun begins when you flip the phone over. The back, that back panel, is split into two parts. One part, like any regular smartphone, and the other part, a full-blown DSLR camera module, whose size is as big as your face's tension. Yes, for real, this is the same professional lens used by journalists, wildlife photographers, and filmmakers. Just imagine, when you take this phone out somewhere, people will look at you, then at the phone, then back at you, and ask, bro, is this a camera or a phone? And you'll say with pride, both, baby. Yes, the weight will be a bit more, no doubt about that. But this is the kind of weight that screams quality. This phone won't be made of plastic, or aluminum, but magnesium alloy, the very metal used in professional DSLR bodies. That means it's lightweight, yet so strong that if you accidentally drop it, it'll leave a dent in the ground, not the other way around. Camera section. Now let's talk about the soul of this phone, that 500 megapixel DSLR camera sensor that has robbed the entire camera industry of its sleep. Let me get a little technical, but I'll try to explain it in simple language. You might have seen 108 megapixel or 200 megapixel phones. But 500 megapixels, and the a DSLR grade sensor. Even the R&D teams at Samsung and Apple must have been stunned. What that means is, the pixels are so detailed that you can count the whiskers on an ant in a photo. No kidding, this is no joke. The size of this sensor will be larger than 1 inch, probably 4/3 of an inch. That's 10 times bigger than standard phone camera sensors. And remember this one thing forever: the larger the sensor, the more light it can capture. That means even in pitch black night, you'll be able to take crystal clear, sharp, noise-free photos like it's daytime. Noise. It'll be completely eliminated. Now let's talk about zoom. Imagine you're standing on a mountain, and a bird is sitting far away. When you zoom in 200x digitally, you'll see the texture of its feathers in crystal clear detail. Yes, 100x is old news now. We're talking a massive 200x digital zoom here. And video. This can record 16K video. That's right, 8K is now a thing of the past. With 16K, you can shoot short films or documentaries. When it comes to slow motion, we're talking 4K slow-mo at 240 FPS. Slow, smooth, crystal clear. You can watch a drop of water fall in such detail that you can see your own reflection in it. Talking about software, Sony's signature apps, Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, will have a brand new, stunning version. Real-time eye tracking. Whether it's a human, an animal, or a bird, it will lock focus on the eye. AI-based scene detection will automatically recognize the mood of the photo and adjust settings accordingly. And if you're into raw photography, this will give you professional DSLR level control. Every single setting, every parameter, right in your hands. Display section. Now the question arises, to view such stunning photos and 16K videos, what kind of screen do you need? The answer is, a one-of-a-kind, crystal clear, eye-soothing screen. A 6.9-inch 4K HDR OLED display. 4K because, well, you need something worthy to watch 16K videos on, right? Full HD is now ancient history. 1 billion colors, meaning every color, every shade, every tone in the world, shown in its true form. Red looks like real red, blue like real blue, green like real green. No deception to your eyes, just pure reality. When you look at a photo, it'll feel like it's live right in front of you. 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching Instagram Reels, everything is butter smooth. Like cutting butter with a hot knife. Once you experience this screen, it'll be hard to look at any other phone. 4500 nits peak brightness. Even in harsh sunlight, the content on the screen will be clearly visible. Whether you're standing under the midday sun or in a brightly lit area, the screen will always remain readable. And Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3, if it falls, the screen survives, and so does your heart. Because if a screen this expensive breaks, your heart will break in no time. Performance. Such massive photos, such high-res videos, and such a stunning screen. To run all of this, you need a powerful, fast, and cool brain. And that is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Designed specifically for AI and camera processing, this chipset will be built on a 2nm architecture, meaning smaller, but incredibly powerful. Where older processors would heat up and sweat, this one stays cool while running faster than ever. With UFS 5.0, data read-write speeds are so fast that you can copy 4K videos in seconds. For gaming enthusiasts, there's a vapor chamber cooling system. Play PUBG, Free Fire, BGMI for hours, or edit 4K videos, the phone won't heat up. This is heaven for heavy users. Battery. Such powerful hardware needs a beast of a battery. And that is a massive 9500 mAh monster battery. With normal usage, it'll easily last 2 days. Even with heavy usage, it'll power through the entire day. You can shoot videos all day, play games, watch movies, and the battery won't give up on you. And charging. 120-watt ultra-fast charging 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. That means you won't need to wander around with a charger all day long. Plus, 50-watt wireless charging, no cables, just place it and it charges. And reverse wireless charging, so you can charge your friend's phone or your earbuds. Software. Sony's biggest specialty, clean software. Stock Android 17 pure, clean, and well organized. No bloatware, no unwanted apps. Just what you want, nothing more, nothing less. But along with that, Sony's professional apps, Cinema Pro, Photography Pro, Music Pro. Professional tools for professionals. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, or photographer, these apps will be true game changers for you. 3 years of Android updates, 5 years of security patches, because when you buy such an expensive phone, it should last a long time. You won't need to change your phone again and again. And yes, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, delivering a cinematic audio experience. When you watch a movie or listen to music, you'll feel like you're sitting in a cinema hall. Price and availability. Now we come to the biggest question. With all of this, what will the price be? Friends, to be honest, this is currently a concept. A dream, a vision. Sony hasn't made any official announcement yet. But tech experts believe that a company like Sony is quietly working on this behind the scenes. If this ever becomes reality, it won't be cheap. With such advanced technology, a DSLR sensor, magnesium body, 4K display, 9500 mAh battery, the estimated price in USA could be between $1,800 to $2,000. That's a lot, right? But remember, this isn't just a phone. This is a phone plus a professional DSLR camera combined. If you were to buy a DSLR of this level separately, it would cost you just as much, if not more. So think about it. 2 devices, 1 price. Isn't that a deal? As for the launch date, it's possible we might see a prototype by late 2026 or early 2027. But nothing is confirmed yet. As soon as any update comes, I will definitely let you know. So friends, now you tell me, would you spend $2,000 on a phone like this? And whose photo would you take first? Let me know in the comments.